Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A boy standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 330 meters from him at an elevation of 30 degree. A girl standing on the roof of 22-meter high building finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree. Both the boy and the girl are on the opposite side of the bird. Find distance of the bird from the girl. Now let's see, we are given. Let's try to depict this in a diagram. Let's suppose that this is the bird and it is given that the girl is finding this bird at an elevation of 45 degree from height of 22 meters, and the boy finds this bird to be at an angle of 30 degree from horizontal plane, something like this. So this is the situation. Yes, it is given that this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 22 meters, and distance of bird from the boy is 330 meters, and we have to find this distance. So now this is the situation. What we can do is we can first find this height, that is height of the bird from ground. So let's see, height of bird from ground, let that be equal to x meters. Let's see, and since elevation of the bird is given as 30 degrees, we can say sine 30 degree equal to distance, no, height of bird from ground, that is x divided by distance of bird from boy, distance of bird from boy, that is 330 meter. So x divided by 330 meters is equal to sine 30. We know value of sine 30 is half, so this is the equation that we get, and from here we get x is equal to 330 divided by 2, which is equal to 165 meters. Now the height of the bird from ground is 165 meter, so height of bird, that is this distance from 20 till 22 meters will be, let's call it y, let's call this x. So therefore from figure, y is equal to 165 minus 22, which is equal to 143 meters. So we get y is equal to 143 meters. Now with this value we can easily find the hypotenuse, that is distance of bird from girl. Distance of bird from girl will be equal to, let's see, we know sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and that should be equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is y divided by, sorry, not y divided by, 143 divided by y. Therefore we get y equal to 143 root 2 meters. So not y equal to, y is equal to 143, right? So distance of bird from girl, let's see, distance of bird from girl is equal to, see, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, that should be equal to 143 divided by distance of bird from girl, bird from girl. Therefore, we get distance of bird from girl equal to 143 root 2. Distance of bird from girl equal to 143 root 2 meters. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option A, 143 root 2 meters.